swear, I hate cooking. Freaking sucks. Then it fell on the floor. Salmonella. Blech. Why not? I don't know what it tastes like, but Swiss cheese. Pours the mixture onto the Swiss cheese. Roll it up. You know, like hold it in place with toothpicks. Preheat oven 450. Spray, and yeah. Making this as a side dish. See, I feel like it's pointless to put all that cheese in because it all like melts out. But I don't know if you guys would know a different way to do it. So you gotta pull out the toothpicks now. So as to not waste the cheese, I think what I'm gonna do is dip it in the cheese and then dip it in the flour. So instead of egg mixture, cheese mixture. And then we'll fry it up. No, because honestly, I made egg yolk to put it in, but this works good. So we're just gonna dip it all up in that cheese so we don't waste it. There we go. A bit of cheese, and then we're gonna dip it up in the flour. Let's fry them up. We do eat dinner very early, where that doesn't show the time. That shows the time. Anywho. All right, so what's it called? This is the final. Those are pink. The potatoes are in there, and we got veggies on the side. And that is it. And my popcorn shrimp. This is good. Let's see what yours looks like. Okay, there you go. That's good. That's